Dogecoin to gain 2% by tomorrow according to analyst CoinLore. But first, let's review the current chart before moving on. Dogecoin has fallen 1.5% over the last 24 hours and is currently trading around $0.09605. Here's what analysts are forecasting now. CoinLore expects the price to move towards $0.098 by tomorrow, representing a gain of about 2%. Dogecoin is projected to move up towards $0.0962 per 30 rates, an expected increase of 0.2%. According to CoinCodex, it may edge lower towards $0.09539, an estimated loss near 0.7%. Another estimate by CoinDataFlow shows Dogecoin might retreat to $0.09413, a loss close to 2%. And to end, cryptonization projects $0.08944 by tomorrow, a projected drop of 6.9%. This is the most profitable forecast in the entire lineup. That's all 5 perspectives. Let's go ahead. Forecasts reviewed. Here's what each implies in figures. Based on the forecasts we've just reviewed, the potential swing in price may be from a decline of 6.9% to an increase of 2%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that cryptonization predicts the highest return with 6.9% surge in value by tomorrow. So it turns out you could earn between $2 and $69 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the probability figures, 30 rates comes first with a 86.9% chance of success. From the complete set of 5 forecasts, I've created a shared projection. Consensus data points to Dogecoin trading close to $0.09463. Let's walk through the details. From the consensus perspective, the price may go lower by 1.5% by tomorrow. Said simply, your capital could also climb by 1.5% along with the same change. With $1,000 invested, the implied gain would be roughly $15. In addition, this consensus outlook for Dogecoin carries a probability of about 77.6%. At this point, let's review where analysts think the market is heading in the coming 3 days. CoinLore highlights an upward outlook for Dogecoin. For the days ahead, additionally 30 rate signals further gains. CoinCodex highlights building pressure to the downside. Meanwhile, CoinDataFlow highlights a bearish short-term picture. Meanwhile, cryptonization points to further downside potential. Looking at all the views combined, the consensus shows Dogecoin drifting lower. Overall, most analyst perspectives point to Dogecoin trading on the downside. 5 forecasts were made 2 days back. Now we see which ones matched reality. In the end, the final outcome was $0.09563. The closing price showed that most forecasts were accurate about the trend. The prediction with the highest precision was made by CoinLore. Time to organize the results. Yesterday's market included 2 forecasts in range. As far as ROI is concerned, several predictions were profitable, but 30 rates stood out with 2.3%. Here's the performance view, showing how each forecast did. 30 rates' forecast probability stood at 69%, with accuracy and 2.3% ROI. Take a glance and see who achieved the most accurate forecast. Let's see how tomorrow's forecasted returns compare between Dogecoin and a few other coins. Dogecoin doesn't take first place here since Zcash leads with an expected gain of 5.1%. Here we're featuring only 5 cryptocurrencies, while the extended comparison of many crypto returns will also be added to the site and Telegram soon. Follow along, subscribe to see how each forecast performs over time. Until next time.